Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm a high day rate facilitator, and a lot of people have been asking in the comments, how do I get more clients as a facilitator? How do I get a higher day rate as a facilitator? And instead of me just giving my opinions, which I maybe will in another video, I just want to show you 3 books that I've read that really helped me with getting more clients and making more money as a facilitator. Okay, no intro, let's just jump straight into it. The first book, and one of my favorites, is called The One-Page Marketing Plan. This book is written by a guy called Allan. That name just doesn't. Allan, I'm sorry for watching this. That name is, the book is amazing. Anyway, this book will really help you with figuring out how to talk to people about what you do in a way that makes them want to work with you. And what this book also introduces you to is something that most consultants don't know about, and that's called direct response marketing. It's the type of marketing that works for individual consultants and small businesses, and not companies like Apple or Google. I think a lot of facilitators, a lot of individual consultants, they try to figure out marketing and try to figure out how to get clients based on how big companies do it. That makes no sense at all. This book is written specifically for people who are either small businesses or individual consultants, and will show you how to get more clients using the simple formulas written in this book. Now, we don't do affiliate links or any of that kind of stuff, so we don't make money recommending these books, but we'll probably put a link down below to something, Amazon or whatever, but that's not an affiliate link, just so you know. These books are just based on things I've read and things I've liked. So One-Page Marketing Plan, really good book to start with when you want to figure out how do I market my services to other people in a way they'll understand and in a way they'll want to pay for it. So that's this book. Second book I'd recommend reading, very cheesy name. All of these books have cheesy names, but this one has a really cheesy name. And it's called The $1,000,000 Consulting. It's actually not called The $1,000,000 Consulting, it's called $1,000,000 Consulting. Really famous book by Allan Weiss. Now, or Weiss, maybe it's Weiss. I live in Germany. So, anyway, really famous book by a guy called Allan. And this book teaches you how to be a high day rate consultant, which is, if you're a facilitator, well, I always find it weird, like when people learn these creative tools like, hey, I'm a facilitator, hey, I'm a design thinker, like they forget that they are a consultant, essentially. Essentially. And this book teaches you how to be a high day rate consultant. And that's the cool thing about it. Now, many of you watching this, and I'm sure there's always someone in the comments like, I don't want to read a book like this. It's too cheesy. It's too American. Fine, don't read it. But if you do read it, it's going to teach you how to act as a high day rate consultant, how to move your day rates up, how to deal with clients, how to send proposals, how to build retainers, how to build relationships with clients, and really even how to price things. I think this is a fantastic book that every consultant, every facilitator should read if they're looking to get those day rates up and looking for ways to deal with clients. It also teaches you how to build a practice, so with more than just one employee, if that's where you want to go. I love this book. The writing style is also kind of funny and cheeky, so love it. Finally, this book, let's talk about cheesy. This is probably the cheesiest one of the bunch, but also one of my favorite. It's called Traffic Secrets by a guy called Russell Brunson. You can actually get this book for free if you go to trafficsecrets.com. Again, we get nothing out of this, and there's lots of upsells. This has nothing to do with us, so don't blame me if you go there and you don't like the website. But this book teaches you how to get clients finding you. These other 2 books help, like once you found the clients, helps you close them and helps you figure out how to get your day rates up. But this book is the best book I've ever read on going from nothing, not knowing how to get clients, just word of mouth, to building a client base. And it goes through all the social media channels, all the different tactics, and it's really, really amazing. I wish I'd read this. I wish this book existed when I was starting my business. Traffic Secrets is the best book I've ever read on just how to get people coming to you and booking calls with you and whatever. Now, there is one thing that holds all of these books together, and it's that they generally are focused on this idea of direct response marketing. And if you're ever, hiring someone to help you with your marketing or whatever, try to find people who do direct response marketing. And it's that topic, direct response marketing, that you want to focus on if you want to grow a small business or small consultancy or your own consulting business. Like I said earlier, it's not about looking at Apple and how they do things or Google or whatever. It's how do other high day rate consultants make the money they're making, find the clients they're finding. So I hope you like those 3 books. If you just read one, I would say this one probably, like maybe just read this. But if you read them all, you'll have a huge advantage over other consultants. So finally, if you want to learn more about facilitation, learn more about facilitation career, down in the description of this video, there's a link to a guide, a facilitation guide that you can download from us for free. Hit the like button of this video, then you'll see more videos from us. Finally, if there's anything else you want to know about facilitation career, consulting, getting clients, all of this stuff, let us know in the comments. And how do I end this video? Just walk off?